Happy Thanksgiving. Remember that Mesa Dual Rectifier solo head with the channel switching issues? Well, I did just replace that LM3914, which is the brains of the entire channel switching operation here. Did resolve one issue, but I left one behind too. Hope this finds you well. Bye. All right, so I'm going to weave in a little bit of footage from changing out that IC from the top side. And there's some techniques there that you want to utilize if you don't want to replace some ruin traces or solder pads. These are very delicate through holes, very easy to vaporize the adhesives and just get those things to rub right off. So you want to be careful. let me get her plugged in, then I'll take you through it. It's not the update I wanted, but it's not the worst. Okay, so finally, channel 1 is no longer mixing with channel 3. Let's go over here. Okay, there's channel 1 and channel 3. Where's that green light? It's really hard for me to get in here. Let's see. Okay, there you go. You can see it now. All right. Now, where was I? Okay, that should be channel 1. Now watch this. There we go. Whoop. Where's it at? Let me find it again. That's so we could finally isolate channel 3. That should be channel 2 right there. That's channel 1. Watch this. There it is. There's channel 2 by itself and channel 3 by itself. Prior, when I tried this, channel 2 wouldn't even engage. So the chip was at fault, but there's something else at play here. This is like an in-between detent setting on this rotary switch, so I'm thinking the rotary switch is also bad. Kind of frustrating. Because, watch. Why is channel 3 still latched until you get that in-between setting right here? Wait, where's that? There it is, right there. Then it turns off. But there's no in-between setting to turn off channel 3 when it's around a clean channel detent. So I'm gonna have to do a little more hunting, and that'll be all the updates for right now. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving.